Today we will be explaining to you how to use grid references. So on a map you simply get your numbers along the side, which you'll recognise. It goes all the way from 1, I believe, on a big map, 1 to 90, I think it's 100. So we've just got an example here, so 50 to 70, yeah? So basically, say we've got like a little church here, so we've got a church with a spire, okay? A place of worship right there. So if we wanted to find that in a 4-figure grid reference, so 4 figures, so there's 2 numbers, so you just find the corresponding. So you get your thing, and it's the bottom left-hand corner. So you go up the corridor, so it's here, you meet into here, and then across. So where it meets that line, it's here, so it'll be 57, 71. So to indicate that, you do it by 57, comma, 71, and you usually put that in brackets. Okay, and then you just put place of worship on the bottom. Okay, right, that's 4-figure grid reference. Brad, would you like to explain 6-figure or no?
In the public services, you're going to need to go more in detail with your grid references, as you're going to be, if you're in the army, you're going to be needing to target a place. So to get it accurately, again, if you had, let's say, a compound there you're going to take over for the night, you would go along the corridor to 58, up to 72, which is 58, oh, it's not an 8, 72, and to put it into a 3-figure reference, each one,
6-figure.
6-figure,
It's divided into 10 parts.
each one of these lines counts as another 1. So here, as this falls just below the 1, you don't count it as a 1, so it will still be 58, 0. And then as you go, wait, no, wouldn't, would it? Yeah. And then as it's here again, that would be 72, 0. But if it was up here, it would change because it's in line with this one, but it hasn't quite gone over it. It would be 58, 5 and 72,
6.
72, 6.
So basically, if you think that each square is obviously one big square, it's then divided into 10 separate. Say it's like that, yeah? Yeah, it's 10 again. Right, so 10, lots of different squares, right? So it's divided into loads of squares. And so if you place like this object here, so we have it here, if you think that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10's obviously the new one, so 10. And then, but you don't count that, that'll just be 0, and then on to the next number. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, yeah? So being that, so 50 set up here, across to what it is, so it's in 4. So that'll be 57, 4, and then 71, 5. That's 4 and 6-figure grid reference explained.
Yay.
I'll turn it off now.